Did you know that your skin is actually the largest organ in your entire body? It's not just a covering. It's a complex machine called the integumentary system. And today, we're peeling back the layers to see how it works. 1. The epidermis, your outer shield. First up, the top layer you can actually touch, the epidermis. Think of this as your personal bodyguard. Its job: it protects you from bacteria, harsh chemicals, nasty UV radiation from the sun, and it keeps you hydrated by preventing water loss. Important fact: the epidermis has no blood vessels. That's why you can sometimes get a tiny paper cut that doesn't bleed. In the diagram, you can see it's made of several sublayers. Stratum corneum, the very top, mostly dead cells that flake off. Stratum granulosum and spinosum, the middle strength layers. Stratum basale, the factory at the bottom where new skin cells are born every single day. 2. The dermis, the control center. Now let's go deeper into the dermis. This is where all the action happens. It's packed with specialized structures, sweat glands and pores. These are your built-in AC system. They release sweat to cool you down when you're hot. Sebaceous glands. These produce oil, sebum, to keep your skin waterproof and soft. Erector pili muscle. Ever wonder why you get goosebumps? This tiny muscle pulls your hair upright when you're cold or scared. The wiring. You've got sensory nerves to feel touch and pain, and motor nerves to trigger reactions. The plumbing. Look at those red and blue lines. Those are arterioles and venules. Unlike the epidermis, the dermis is loaded with blood to keep your skin alive and healthy. 3. The hair and follicle. Notice the hair sticking out? The hair starts way down in the hair bulb, sits inside a tube called the hair follicle, and exits through the surface. It helps with sensing touch and regulating temperature. 4. The hypodermis, the foundation. Finally, we reach the hypodermis, or subcutaneous layer. This layer is full of adipose tissue, which is just a fancy word for fat. Its function: it acts as a shock absorber to protect your insides if you fall, and it works like a thermal blanket to keep your body heat trapped inside. From the waterproof top to the fatty bottom, your skin is doing a million things at once just to keep you safe. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the human body.